How you doing, buddy? Getting ready to encase our king piers with 9 yards of high-strength concrete. We're talking 4,000 PSI, 100% cement, no fly ash, reinforced with Buckeye fiber. We'll pour it about a 5-inch slump. King Piers out here at Raintree Lake. Take a good look at the lake right there. For all your foundation repair needs, give me a call, 816-521-8915, and you can go to my website, kingpiers.com. We raised the footing on this home right here 2 inches on the front side. It now matches the elevation on the back side. If you was to be in the basement with a laser level, everything would be within a 1/4 inch of each other. John Zawadny used to, he was the chief engineer for Turner Construction. He was used to build stadiums. Pretty smart guy. Beautiful neighborhood. All right, hope everybody's having a good week. God bless you. Take care.